Today, we are going to read the editorial which is given in Hindu newspaper today. The main heading was in reverse gear, and the topic was the draft EIA notification needs wider consultation and progressive changes. So, here the meaning of EIA means Environmental Impact Act, and here again the meaning of consultation is discussion, meeting, or negotiation. So, the thing which is mentioned here is EIA, like Environmental Impact Act wants to they want to meet in a big meeting for the progressive changes in our environment. So let's go for the matter. The Union Ministry of Environment has been in spotlight on more than one section during the pandemic. So we know that now it's a COVID pandemic, so which is very dangerous. So the ministry, the environmental health ministry or environmental ministry, they are spotlight means focusing on a specific thing. Like they are focusing on a specific thing, like on this pandemic, like taking so many measures. And the next one is as it work to push through retrograde environmental discussions in an environment of atmosphere through discussions in an atmosphere of general paralysis. Here, the meaning of the meaning of retrograde is directed backwards or reverse or regressive. So here I can see that through a retrograde environment or through a reverse or through an against environment, we have so many decisions the ministry will take so many decisions, right, according to the atmosphere. They are doing some general analysis for this environment. And in April, environmental minister Prakash Javadekar used a virtual conference to ensure that the National Board for Wildlife Standing Committee stamped its approval on several projects. So, in April, the environmental minister name is Prakash Javadekar. Like he also confirmed that whether National Board of Wildlife Standing Committee had implications, like they had made any stamps or approval on these type of developments. And the next one is he wants to know he now wants to hurriedly make a fundamental change to the process of project approvals by introducing a new environmental impact assessment introduction. So here the minister was so much hurried to implement many type of factors, like just for our sake, we also want to develop environmental impact associations, like just to make for providing some facilities for us. And the next one is now in draft it seeks to replace the existing EIA notification of 2006. Like a draft means, like you will see that which we did mistakes, like we'll keep in a box that is called as draft. And those draft is replaced by now which is now there, right, the EIA environmental impact act of 2000, it has changed in 2006. And the proposed provisions show that the ministry has gone to the great lengths to reduce or even more public participation. Yeah, here the meaning of proposed is put forward to or advance, going in an advance. The advance, they took advanced provisions to show that the ministry to show that the ministry has gone to great lengths to reduce, or they want to show that the ministry has gone to they want to show for the people or the public that they had done money much favors for the public. So they made they proposed many provisions to make, and even they removed even they even removed what will say some participations, we should not love we should not love to be in a people nowadays. So many of the people like to participate in a groups, but it is not good right now. So and by extension independent expert opinion from the process of granting environmental clearness. So even many of the people asked about the clarity, like about this, like they want a clear clarity about this topic. And the next one is public reporting of violations may also not to be taken cognizance. So here the meaning of cognizance is like knowledge. So like after coming here, public reporting of violation may also not be taken of cognizance of. Like even public remote reporting, like they like when they're really reporting, like they will have some knowledge, right? Like even they are even presenting that and giving the news for us. And the next one is, while there can be no argument about the importance of development projects, it has resorted the sophistry in classifying activists for exemptions. Like exemptions means like except. So it has also reduced authority in classifying activity for exemptions. And in section 26 provides a list of projects that would not attract environmental clearness or permissions. So while coming to section 26, like the rules which is given in section 26 does not attract the people much about the environment. And so even including coal mining and seismic surveys for oil, methane, shale gas, and summer lands. Like even environmental, they also consider about oil, methane, shale gas, and many type of oil resources which will be important in our future and which are also important enough, like right, like without these type of things, like we can't even travel or we can't even leave, like so these are the main things. Even the government and the environmental also is taking care on this. And section 14 provides exemption for these and some other projects from public consultation, also limiting the scope of public involvement to the districts concerned. So even the public constitution, like the constitution which is standing to the public, has even taken some has also like they also have some concern, right? So like even they also want, even they also took to the limits, and they also want to recheck the matter, like whether it is like even they also want to give justice for themselves. And in the case of national parks and sanctuaries where pipelines infrastructure will pass, even they also want to know about the pipelines will be right in national parks and sanctuaries. So like without having any animals or without having any organisms, like they want even to check the pipelines. And also limiting the scope of public involvement in issues concerned. And like coming here, roads and highways get liberal concession further. It retains the clause that if a public agency and authority considers the local situations not conducive to the participations, like even yeah, like they will, like it is not that much good right now in local situations, like they are not like the citizens are also but not participate to like they are not even okay, like they are not even standing for these type of implements. Even and the public consultation need not include a public hearing. And the public like even like they have to do justice for themselves. For that they should not cheat themselves, like they should not do bad about anything, like they should not do anything for them. And the next one is so here this just says us about that we should be very much like even the environmental impact act had made many changes, and they also want us to be safe in this pandemic, and they're also trying to implement many things, and they also want to like they also want to join in a meeting together and know about our environment and many of our progressive changes. Thank you.